What's happening, family? It's your brother Blas here at the SKILLSART Trading Academy. This is a more advanced course, but today we're going to go over Fibonacci's and how to use them in the market. Let's get to a trading station. Let's get started. Welcome back, SKILLSART family. Here we are at a trading station where we're going to go over Fibonacci's. All right, so let's get started. All right, so Fibonacci extensions are these here, right? You get this extension tool, utilize it. The way you utilize it is in conjunction with the rest of the stuff that we've been teaching. Like I said, there's no one tool that's going to make you successful in the market. It's all these things put together. You look for multiple confirmations before you jump into a trade. So this is how we get into a trade and then we get out of a trade. Because once you're in profit, you got to know when to book your profit, right? So here we go. So here we are with the Canadian dollar and Japanese yen, right? We see this small trend here, and then we see a breakout. So we know that this is no longer going to continue in our direction. We see a breakout, we wait for the retest to get back in, right? Where's the retest? We use Fibonacci's to confirm that. So let's get this out of the way. There it is. There's the candle that broke it out. We look for the move that made that happen. We go from the absolute bottom of that move to the absolute top of that move. And what we look for is these. They're called the golden ratios, right? These areas that the market will retest and then bounce back to higher prices. So here's the big candle that broke it out. We'll go higher where it broke, where the move stops, right? And then it resets. If you guys want to continue watching this video, subscribe to our website at skillsarts.com. We have more content and exclusive indicators that will help you succeed in the markets. Till next time.